Hey everyone, welcome back. It's DramaBox showing a data exception error every time you try to load a story. Here's the fix. This error is almost caused by a corrupted local cache or an unstable connection while the app tries to fetch content. First, go to your settings app and then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and turn it back off to fully reset your network connection. Force close the DramaBox app completely from your recent app list and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. If the data exception error continues, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, find DramaBox to the list of apps, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for DramaBox and tap off and reinstall it fresh from there. This clears out the corrupted cache that's the most common trigger for this specific error without deleting your device data. After reinstalling it, also go ahead and check your settings, then go back in general, scroll down and go to VPN and device management and confirm that no VPN is active since DramaBox content servers can throw data exceptions when traffic is routed through a VPN. So all you've got to do is reset your connection, force close and reopen, offload and reinstall and turn off any VPN. The data exception error clears and that's it. Subscribe.